So you want a different whiskey cocktail, huh? Let's try a Sazerac.
The Spirit Box.
Some Peychaud bitters. This was originally made with cognac, but after a bad plague in France and that wiped most of the wine production, they switched to rye, like old Forester Rye. 2 ounces. We do a little bit of heavy syrup, 0.25. We have 100 proof rye whiskey, so we need a little bit of dilution and chilling the cocktail itself. Let's get important. Let's get an absinthe rinse. Give it a little bit of an absinthe rinse. Yeah. There's no fairy. A nice lemon peel. Spread those oils. I hadn't had one of these in a while.